Trying to learn French but still can't speak? That's because you're missing one of 3 crucial steps. These are 3 steps to mastering and speaking French with confidence. And that's how you learn at FrenchPod 101. You learn with quick conversation lessons by real teachers. You get to practice what you've learned, and you get tested for total mastery. So sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod 101. Click the link in the description.
Do you know how to talk about how someone or something was in the past in French? You'll learn how in just a moment. Hi, my name is Fanny and this is 3-Step French by FrenchPod101.com. In this lesson, you'll learn how to describe what people or things were like in the past, using the imperfect tense through a short conversation. Let's look at the dialogue. As you listen, pay attention to how they describe Théodore's personality and behavior in the past. Constance, regarde cette photo de Théodore quand il avait 5 ans. Oh, il était si mignon, il avait déjà ce grand sourire. À l'époque, il posait 1000 questions sur tout. Ça se voit, il débordait d'énergie. Il adorait courir dans le jardin derrière la maison. On dirait qu'il était vraiment heureux. Let's hear it with the English translation. Constance, regarde cette photo de Théodore quand il avait 5 ans. Constance, look at this photo of Theodore when he was 5. Oh, il était si mignon, il avait déjà ce grand sourire. Oh, he was so cute, he already had that big smile. À l'époque, il posait 1000 questions sur tout. Back then, he asked 1000 questions about everything. Ça se voit, il débordait d'énergie. You can tell, he was bursting with energy. Pay attention to the next sentence. It follows the key speaking patterns you learn later in this lesson. Il adorait courir dans le jardin derrière la maison. He loved running in the garden behind the house. On dirait qu'il était vraiment heureux. It seems he was really happy. Let's look at the sentence pattern. Do you remember how the character said he loved running in the garden behind the house? Il adorait courir dans le jardin derrière la maison. Il adorait courir dans le jardin derrière la maison. This sentence follows the pattern here. Subject plus verb in imperfect plus complement. This pattern helps us describe what someone was like or used to do in the past. Here's how the line from the dialogue uses the pattern. Il adorait courir dans le jardin derrière la maison. Il is the subject pronoun, he. Adorait is the imperfect of adorer, meaning loved. Courir is the infinitive, to run. So, il adorait courir means he loved running. Then, dans le jardin, derrière la maison. In the garden, behind the house. All together, il adorait courir dans le jardin, derrière la maison. Now, let's also take a quick look at 2 more imperfect verbs used in the dialogue. Il avait 5 ans. He was 5 years old. In this sentence, il, he, the subject pronoun, followed by était, was, the imperfect of être. Next, si, so, an intensifier, followed by mignon, cute. Before we continue, let's look at how to form the imperfect with 3 important verb types. Avoir, to have, j'avais, tu avais, il, or, elle, or, on avait, nous avions, vous aviez, il, or, elles avaient. Être, to be, j'étais, tu étais, il, or, elle, or, on était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils, or, elles étaient. And regular et verbs like adorer, meaning to love, j'adorais, tu adorais, il, or, elle, or, on adorait, nous adorions, vous adoriez, ils, elles adoraient. In French, we use l'imparfait or imperfect tense to describe what someone or something was like in the past, repeated or habitual past actions, and background details in a story. This is different from le passé composé, which is used for completed actions. In our dialogue, we used était, avait, adorait, débordait, posait, all in the imperfect, to describe Theodore's personality and typical behavior as a child. Now, let's look at some speaking examples. Quand j'étais petit, j'avais un chien. When I was little, I had a dog. Can you see how the pattern applies here? Let's break it down. Quand j'étais petit means when I was little. J'étais is the imperfect of être for I was. J'avais un chien. Means I had a dog. J'avais is the imperfect of avoir for I had. All together, quand j'étais petit, j'avais un chien. Means when I was little, I had a dog. Quand j'étais petit, j'avais un chien. Il adorait les bonbons. He loved candy. Il adorait les bonbons. He loved candy. Elle avait une poupée préférée. She had a favorite doll. Elle avait une poupée préférée. She had a favorite doll. Nous étions très contents. We were very happy. Nous étions très contents. We were very happy. Tu posais toujours des questions. You always asked questions. Tu posais toujours des questions. You always asked questions. Now you know how to talk about how someone or something was in the past in French. And you can move on to the practice. Au revoir!